You're a sniffer.
Hey, take pictures of me.
It's on record.
That?
It's on record.
I'm not my girl.
I got you. I'm a sniffer.
What does Bro, what does the hillbilly say to a deer that has no eyes?
I already told it twice. Just kidding. I don't know. Fuck. Say your name.
Tristan.
I'm gonna put it on Vivo, bro.
Tristan.
Oh, is this a video? Yeah.
Tristan. What do you call a hillbilly? What do you call a deer that has no eyes?
Fuck, I don't know. Just telling
Like,
you.
come on, man.
I don't know, man. Just tell me.
No eye deer.
I was watching.
Don't you get it? No eye deer.
Fuck you. No, man, that's a gay song. I don't even know why I put it on that. Fuck, man. Check out the French bin, man. Bro, should go eat there. Oh, just kidding. You're this garbage picker.
I'm gonna take it out. Let me see.
You're this garbage picker right there.
I don't need the shit.
Racist piece of 7 up.
Get the fuck off me! No, huh, Daddy?
Fuck you.
Guys, straight now, too. What did I tell you when I was home?
It's their fault to bring you down. No, I was the one that took her down.
Please, shut up. Hey, Deborah.
Come on, man.
Where?
2 o'clock.